Hey guys, Max with Off Grid Web here. Do you keep a firearm in your vehicle? If you do, where do you store it? Like many of you out there, I keep mine in my center console. The only problem is, most center consoles don't lock. Let's take a look at Console Vault. Alright guys, this is the Console Vault. This one's for 14 to 18 Silverados and Sierras, both 1500, 2500, 3500, and it even fits the GM SUVs in that generation. This one features a 4-digit combo. Also comes with a keyed option or a 3-digit option. But basically you open it up, drops right into your center console, mounts right to the bottom and gives you full access at any time. Also gives you full use of the center console. Let's take a look how this one installs. First step is going to be to remove the bottom cover. And then I've already loosened them, but there's two bolts down here in the bottom that need to be removed. Those will not be reused as Console Vault has sent new bolts to replace those. Next is there's two file hangers here, and they're very simple to remove. You pry out at the middle and slide toward the front of the vehicle. Just like that. And next, we just drop the Console Vault in place. Take the hardware that Console Vault sent. And drop in their new bottom foam cover, and you're all set. So there it is installed in the truck. Everything is nice and secure now. Again, it's a 4-digit combo on this one. You can reset it to whatever you want. There's a little pinhole. Hold that in while you're changing the digits. Makes it super easy. Now your valuables are safe and secure. For more information on this and other products, visit consolevault.com. And for future reviews, follow offgridweb.com. Thanks for watching.